Bucket Challenge, nominating the Taylor High School cheerleaders, Oak Hills marching band, and the Taylor High School football team. You guys have 24 hours.
Band, attend hut. Hut. Band, buckets up. Band, above head. Band, don't bucket.
Alright, we're the staff of the Taylor High School marching band doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We would like to nominate the Taylor High School football staff, the Taylor High School cheerleading staff, and the staff of the Oak Hills marching band.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!